Alright, so last time we started cutting into stuff, and so this is the driver's side. Definitely has a patch panel on it. I'm going to cut it off down here, and I'm going to take back all the body filler and stuff to reveal what's underneath and start cutting back and getting this side ready as well. So in between the inner sill and the outer sill, there is a support piece, and I want to see what that looks like on this side, see how much needs to be repaired, and what you need to do on this side, and get started on that as well. Ready. There. Well, it looks like this side was done in one piece. The other side was two pieces. What I did, got patch panels for both sides. Ooh, I still need to cut this off. It's bad. Front fender right here. I'm gonna cut this patch off. Try to take back some of this stuff. Get it ready. It's bad. As you can see, I got the piece off. It's not. I mean, it's good that I took these off, and I'm going to replace these. Underneath is pretty rusty, but there's some good stuff in there. I'll be able to clean it up and make it good. Got the patch panel for that side. Yeah. Yeah, it's going to look a lot better. It's the original sill. and it's rusted out all the way along, all the way down here. You know, it said to cut it off, but it needs to come off so we can see what's underneath, so we can fix. Cutting off this sill, I'll be able to see the exposed structural piece and use that as a pattern for the other side as well. They do have the new panel. Here it is. Got to get everything ready for it. Couple places on the support piece. This is a structural piece. Need to fix a couple places. I'll go through and clean this up, see if there's any other soft spots. But for the most part, it looks intact, which is awesome. Because the other side, not so much. And I use this side as a pattern for the other side. Again, I got a good pattern to go from, but it's looking like I'm going to have to replace this lip pretty much all along. I mean, there's a couple places that are alright, but it's going to be easier just to replace the whole thing. And make it nice and structurally sound. And then we'll do the other side first. Use this as a pattern. Alright. This is going to turn out great. Can't wait to make more progress. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.